guys, welcome back to another video with a Rusty Blades YouTube Barber. In this video today, we're going to be having a look at the Gamma Plus skin. It's a balding clipper. Is this clipper for everybody? Probably not, but we'll go through, we'll have a look and go through some of the specifications on the back. We'll have a look and see what's inside the box, and we'll have a look at the clipper. And if you stick around to the end, there is some footage of me using the clipper, and I also let Elliot, who I work with at King of Cuts in Selby, he had a play about with them as well, so see what he thought as well. So this is the Gamma skin. It's Taylor Cuts approved, and if you aren't already, you can go follow Taylor Cuts on Instagram. I will leave his handle down in the description as well, so feel free to go check him out. I'm sure he'd appreciate a follow, even though he's already got a massive following. Right, inside the box, this is the clipper. We've got two different lids in there as well. We've got like a bronzy colour one, a gold, and then on the clipper it's actually green. I will come to the clipper in a second, but let's open this up. And this is what we get in the box. Pretty standard from Gamma, so you get your charging dock, you get your lead for the charging dock, you get magnetic guards, but they are only the single magnetic guards. But if you've got any other Gamma products and clippers, and you'll have the Gamma dubs, you can use those. You get your little packet of knickknacks there, so you've got a new cam follower, a little brush, some spare screws and some oil. You get the customary Gamma little screwdriver and your warranty card, which no one ever looks at, so we just fling it over to one side. So that's what's inside the box. We'll have a look at the box now and some of the specifications and see what this clipper actually entails. So here we are. This is the clipper. So it's got the silver switch on there. It's like an army green lid on there. The skin blade, and it has the slim deep tooth cutting blade on there as well. So it's a professional super torque motor clipper. It runs at 7,200 RPM. It has the ultra close 0.45mm diamond black blade. It does have the conventional bracket for the side, so you can put a lever on there if you wish, and you can change the blade up. It's fully adjustable, so you can zero gap that. It does also have 150 minutes of cordless run time. The rest of the stuff we've already gone through, so we'll move on. That's what you get inside the box. That's a few specifications on the clipper. I've got to say though, I absolutely love this colour green. It's definitely my favourite. I won't be changing it, but it's always nice that Gamma give you the option to change the colour of the lids. Let me know in the comments down below as well what you think about these. Will I be using it a lot? I probably will, because I don't like to dull down my blades on my other trimmers. Because it has a wider blade as well, it takes more bulk, so it takes less time to get it down to by zero for your skin line. If you don't want to dull down your blades, then I would recommend it. You know, if you do purchase this, like I said, you can put a lever on there. If you find that you're not using it as a balding clipper, you can always get a different blade, put your lever on, and you've got a traditional clipper to do with your cuts with. It's very versatile. I like the way that they've done this. It's inexpensive as well compared to a detachable clipper. I know a lot of people use detachables to take down the bulk, but you are looking at £300, £400. This actually comes in at £150, I believe, in the UK. I don't know what that is in dollars, but I will leave it down below. This has been the skin. I hope you like it. I really like it. If you are interested in the UK, you can DM me on Instagram, and I will leave that down below in the description. And also, if you're in the USA, you can use my code Rusty15. That'll save you 15%. A nice little saving. Helps you, helps me, helps the channel out. I'll catch you in the next one.
you reckon to them, mate? Are they alright?
Perfect, yeah.
Right, what's it?